In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort data faster in Airtable, so you can bring the most important records to the top in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your Airtable base and navigate to the table that contains the records you want to organize. Take a moment to review the fields available in that table, because you'll need to pick which one to sort by. Common choices include due date, priority, or status, depending on what matters most for your workflow. Once you know the field, look for the Sort button in the toolbar above the table and click it to open the sorting options. A panel will appear where you can click Add Sort, then choose the field you want to sort by from the drop-down menu. Now you'll select the sort direction. Ascending will show items from A to Z or oldest to newest, while descending reverses that order, showing Z to A or newest to oldest. For example, if you want to display upcoming deadlines first, choose the due date field and set it to ascending. If you need to organize records by importance, select priority and choose descending to bring the highest priority tasks to the top. You're not limited to just one rule either. Click Add Sort again to stack multiple levels, like first sorting by status, then by due date within each status. This layered approach gives you a clean, logical hierarchy. Go ahead and experiment with different field combinations until you find the arrangement that fits your workflow best. The great news is that Airtable automatically saves your sorting settings for the current view, so you can return to the same arrangement anytime you open the table. If you want to keep different sorting rules for different purposes, create a dedicated sorted view by duplicating the current view and applying unique rules. You can also take sorting a step further by combining it with grouping. For instance, group records by status, then sort the records within each group by due date. This gives you a powerful overview of your data. Finally, always verify that your records appear in the expected order to keep data accuracy in check. As your project requirements change, update your sort rules accordingly. Use sorting regularly to keep the most important information visible and accessible, and you'll maintain an efficient, focused workflow every single day. Thanks for watching, and happy sorting!